sun as a source of energy within and outside. Sun salutations or Surya Namaskar or 12 steps to great health is an ancient technique and widely practiced all over.
Namaste, Prema Nagesh from Vyalati.
October month is a breast cancer awareness month.
This video is all about how to perform these 12 steps in a right way, with the right breathing and with the right attitude. Combination of all these three will definitely help one to get over many kinds of health issues. Join us to know more.
The first step, salutation with normal breathing. Paying gratitude to the external sun and invoking the inner energy within us. The second step, raised arms pose. As you inhale, bend back. Stretch your armpit and stretch your core. Third step, as you breathe out, reach your hands on the knees, pulling your stomach in, completely exhaling. Try to reach your head on the knees. The fourth step, as you inhale, take your left leg back, the right leg in front, the thigh under the armpit. Feel the stretch in your groin.
Namaste. I am Ranjana Joshi as a breast cancer survivor. Namaskar same like me as a chemotherapy, so I maintain only Surya Namaskar 108 more and more times. So I suggest to all of ladies is the prevention for Surya Namaskar is the cancer awareness. All hormone like throat, breast and uterus, all other organs is very good for Surya Namaskar. So you all of try Surya Namaskar as a once a week 108, but try every day. It's really change your life. Thank you so much.